Crypto is falling again, and people are confused. ETF approvals. Bullish news everywhere. Big names entering the space. So why is the entire market bleeding? If everything sounds bullish, but prices are dropping, then maybe the answer isn't obvious. Let's start with a hard truth. The market doesn't move on news. It moves on money. On liquidity. When good news hits the headlines, chances are, the smart money already bought weeks ago. Institutions, whales, insiders, they're often the ones selling into that excitement. It's called selling the news. The good headlines aren't signals for them to buy, they're exit liquidity. That's why we see price drops right after bullish news. The market looks forward. So by the time you read the headline, it's already priced in. But if price action isn't the full story, what is? What are the fundamentals actually saying right now? Is crypto really in decline, or are we just looking at the wrong indicators? Behind the charts, the networks are growing. On-chain metrics show more active wallets, more developer activity, and more transactions per second than we've seen in months. Ethereum is testing rollups, Solana continues to dominate NFT activity. And smaller chains like Kaspa are breaking technical records in block throughput. Even when prices fall, infrastructure continues to build. Here's what most retail investors miss. Long-term adoption happens silently. While people obsess over candles and headlines, real growth happens in the background, on-chain, in GitHub commits, in hiring reports from crypto companies. So if the tech is improving, and fundamentals are strong, why does it still feel like the sky is falling? What if this volatility isn't something to fear, but something being used? Let's talk psychology. Volatility isn't always random. It's a tool. A weapon, even, used by the smart money to shake out weak hands and trigger emotional selling. Think about it, if you wanted to accumulate millions of dollars in crypto without pumping the price, you wouldn't buy on a green day. You'd create fear, let people sell to you, and accumulate while the charts look ugly. That's why we see sharp wicks, sudden dips, and quick recoveries. It's not always market failure, it's market design. And while retail panics, the smart money is moving in silence. Every time crypto falls, people ask, what went wrong? But maybe the better question is, what's being built right now, that no one's seeing? Prices are temporary. Adoption, tech, and conviction, that's what lasts. The people who win in crypto aren't the ones who react the fastest. They're the ones who understand why the market moves. And prepare before it turns. If you want more content that goes beyond the noise, that breaks down what's really happening in crypto, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's feeling lost in the red candles. Because the next bull run won't reward the loudest. It'll reward the most prepared.